Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your VW Tiguan with a dead battery. First, you'll need to find the mechanical key hidden inside your key fob. Once you have it, look closely at the driver's side door handle. There's usually a small cap or cover that hides the traditional keyhole. Gently remove this cover, insert your key, and turn it to manually unlock the door. This simple step gets you inside your vehicle. Now that you're inside, the next step is to open the hood. Locate the hood release lever, typically found on the driver's side, near the footwell. If your Tiguan has an electronic hood release that won't work with a dead battery, you'll need to find the auxiliary jump points. These are usually under the hood, often covered by a red cap, allowing you to provide temporary power. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips. And on another note, don't let a dead battery ruin your meal prep plans. Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized. You can find the link to these and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. With the hood open, it's time to jumpstart your Tiguan. Connect the red, positive jumper cable to the positive auxiliary terminal. Then, attach the black, negative cable to a solid, unpainted metal part of the engine block, away from the battery. Start the donor vehicle and let it run for about 5 to 10 minutes. This allows enough charge to flow into your Tiguan system.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.